Guys, welcome back to a new video. I forgot to do an intro to this video, so this is going to be it. But before I get into that, I wanted to thank all of y'all for the participation last week in the comment section. Man, y'all blew the comment section up and let me know where y'all lived. I had no idea that it was such a diverse audience watching my videos from all over the world. And I thank y'all for that. And thank you for letting me know what video you got started with. A lot of y'all have been with me on this road from the very first JJ video. Today, working on JJ, I'm going to finish the body filler sanding on the passenger side, and I'm also going to get it in primer. So that's what we're going to be doing on JJ today. Let's get to it, and I'll see y'all over at the shop. Beautiful sunny day, still a little bit warm. I'm gonna get the fan going, I'm gonna get the sand in this body work and see if I can finish this up today. Guys, I got the body work done on this side. I still have to do the body work on this piece right here. I want to try to get down here early tomorrow morning, maybe 6 a.m. if I can get myself out of bed. I have to be at work during the week at 4 o'clock. No, I had to get up at 4 o'clock, be at work at 5. So I like to sleep in just a little bit on the weekend, but I need to get this thing in primer, and I'd like to get it done early so I can salvage some of my Saturday and not have to be down here all day long on the Jeep. I've been down here most of the day doing this body work here, so I'll see y'all bright and early in the morning, and maybe it'll be around 6 a.m. Well guys, I didn't quite make it. 6:55. So anyway, it's still in the 6 o'clock hour, but not as early as I had planned on it being. Alright, so today I'm going to do the final touches on this side, get all this black paint sanded. Take all this down to the metal and do the body work on that. I've also got to sand this piece that goes all the way across the back. I haven't done that yet, and I'm hoping there's not any little pecks and dents in that. I know this has got pretty good size little hickey there. I need to use my stub welder on. A dent right there, dent right there, dent right there. So anyway, I'll skim some pretty good size sections of that and just knock it all out of 1 or 2 skimmings. So alright, let's get to it. Alright guys, I've got this side in primer just like the other side, and it has turned out exceptionally nice. I'm proud of that. I'm fixing to start the blocking process. I've got my medium length block here. I'm going to start with it because I don't want to sand any lines in the primer with this 180 grit sandpaper. I'm going to sand it with 180 because this primer is really tough, and that will show me any low spots that I have and whether I can sand them out or not. And maybe I won't have any low spots. When I get done sanding with the 180, I will go to my longer block and I will put 400 on it. And then, before I put the 400 on it, I will put a guide coat on this to kind of see what it looks like. And I may actually put a guide coat on it with the 180. I'm going to sand it first, and then I'll put a guide coat on it. That way it'll tell me any highs or lows that I might have. I've got this side blocked, and when you're dealing with fresh primer, right here, this is showing a low spot because you can tell it's not sanded right there, and it's sanded good all the way around it, and that's actually the only low spot I have. The rest of this came out beautiful. I mean, it couldn't be any more flat. It is super flat. I don't feel any kind of movement at all, which is exactly what I wanted. I just missed that spot. I didn't see it. My body work stopped down in here somewhere. I need to put a little glazing putty in that. I could probably get really close to sanding that out. I don't really want to go that much through my primer right there. So I'm gonna sand it a little bit more. I'll probably end up putting a little bit of filler right there just to fill up that little, it's just a little, almost like a door ding. Don't know what caused it, but just over years of use. Well, I've got it blocked. Everything turned out really good and flat. I'm real excited about how the Jeep is finally coming together. I've got it blocked on this side, I got it blocked on the other side, so I'm ready now to prime it one more time, and then after that, the final blocking, and then the tub will be ready for the Commando green paint. Well guys, we finished with the tub. The tub now only needs the final sanding and the paint put on it. I'm really pleased with how it turned out. I couldn't be happier actually. Everything looks really good. I've had a lot of people commenting about the color of this primer. I really do like it myself. But anyway, we're going to go ahead with the Commando Green. And I've got this side in the dark over here. But anyway, y'all, that's going to wrap up this video. I appreciate y'all coming and watching this week. Appreciate any comments you leave. The last video, y'all all participated so well in the comments. I was thoroughly surprised and enjoyed every single one of them. Thank y'all for that. I got the video ranked up to #1 on my videos because of all the comments. It really does help the channel out a lot when y'all comment and when y'all hit that like button. So I'll see y'all next week, and y'all come back and we'll see what we got going then. Yeah.